Hello class, and welcome to the homework assignment on transition words. Today you're going to learn about different transition words, how to use them, as well as when it's appropriate to use them. Let's take a look at the first slide. What are transition words? Make sure you take notes because half of your assignment is going to be graded on notes, as well as the activity at the end. Transition words and phrases help establish clear connections between ideas and ensure that sentences and paragraphs flow together smoothly, making them easier to read. Make sure you pause and take notes to make sure that you get the correct definition down. This should be a review for most of you since you've used transition words all through high school. Transition words help to create clarity, which makes making your writing more clear, as well as increase sentence accuracy and flow. You don't want your words jumbled together, and you don't want your thoughts jumbling together. Stay away from boring transition words such as first, second, or third, also, or next. People are used to seeing those. We don't need to be seeing them over and over again and create redundancy. Where do transition words go? They can go in between paragraphs, as sentence connectors, or to move from one idea to the other. We don't stay with one idea or multiple ideas in one paragraph. We make sure we use transition words as we continue into the next paragraph. Here are some examples of transition words for a counterclaim. Although this may be true, in contrast, different from, of course, but, on the other hand, on the contrary, at the same time, or in spite of. We've learned about counterclaims in class, which is the opposite of an argument in our paper. We need to get away from using of things like on the other hand, but if that's the one thing that you can think of, it would be acceptable to let the reader know that you are switching points of view. There are also transition words for other types, such as saying in addition or to provide examples. You can see here, likewise, comparatively, correspondingly, similarly, furthermore, additionally, or to clarify more examples, for instance, to demonstrate, to emphasize, to repeat, to clarify, to explain, to enumerate. We need to make sure with transition words that we are actually showing the reader examples instead of just telling them, using imagery in our writing. To wrap things up, your assignment tonight is to create a counterclaim paragraph using at least 2 transition words for the following prompt. So you can use one at the beginning of the prompt or the counterclaim, and also one when you're connecting your thoughts, trying to give examples. Here is your SOL prompt. Because of safety concerns, many states have increased the age at which teens can begin to drive. Your state legislature is considering raising the minimum driving age from 16 to 18. Do you think the minimum driving age should be raised? Take a position on the issue, support your response with reasons and examples. Please turn in your assignment on the next day you have class. Thanks, have a good night.